Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am sharing the recipe to make khajoor or sagu ki kheer. It is a very healthy nutritious kheer made using lots of dry fruits, dates and tapioca pearls. It is very healthy as well as very nutritious and yummy. So let me share the recipe. I have taken 100 grams of almonds, 100 grams of cashews and 100 grams of pista. I have also taken 10 dates and I have removed the seed of the dates and roughly chopped it. Now we are going to add these dry fruits in a mixer jar along with 1 pod of cardamom and grind it into a coarse powder. We are going to use this powder later. You can see the texture of the powder is somewhat like this. Keep it aside. Now in a heavy bottom pan, we are going to add 1 liter of milk, bring it to a boil and mix and keep on cooking it on low flame. Into this I am adding a little bit of saffron soaked in milk. Now mix it well and cook until you feel that milk is nicely thickened. So it might be around 5 to 6 minutes. Now we'll go ahead and add in the dry fruit powder. Mix it well and cook it on low to medium flame. Once it's cooked nicely for about after 3 to 5 minutes, you will see that the texture of the kheer has changed. The kheer has nicely thickened and it's got an amazing beautiful texture to it. Now you can taste the sweetness and if it requires, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I have just added 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you want, you can skip it also. Now you see it has nicely thickened and it's got a beautiful texture into it. Now it's time to add the tapioca pearls or sabudana. I have already soaked around 50 grams of sabudana in water and boiled it nicely for 10 minutes and strained it. Now this is well cooked. Go ahead and add this into the kheer. Now cook it nicely for 2 to 3 minutes until it's nicely combined and cooked. Now look at this beautiful texture. The kheer is ready. You can turn off the flame. I'm going to let it cool nicely and then refrigerate it for 20 minutes and I'm going to serve it chilled. I have garnished it with some chopped almonds, pistas and chopped dates. Serve this chilled and I'm sure everyone in your family will enjoy it. Thank you for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye guys.
Bye guys.